What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna install a new tailgate liftgate latch on a 2012 Toyota Tundra. So the latch is broke on the Tundra here guys, so this is a new one. I purchased this off Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description guys, you know what I mean? So I wanna go out here, and I have the truck right in front of my garage here because I have the two BMW in here. And outside I don't have much parking space outside right now, so I'm just gonna replace it right here in the front here, you know what I mean? So let me go out there and show you guys how to install this real quick, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this is the Tundra right here guys. I like it a lot, you know what I mean? It's black interior, black leather interior and all of that, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I'll show you guys the door latch now. I mean, this is it right here. So this part is broke, so it's gonna be hard to open it, you know what I mean? I have to squeeze under here, and that's not good, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install a new one. We have a backup camera right here and all that. I need this other piece up here for right here, so we're gonna order that. So to open this guys, I'm just gonna use using those pliers like this and hold it in here. Put it in here. Come on. This side here. Hold it and pull it. So it's open right now. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all of these bolts here. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them guys. Yes guys, so we have 8 of these. These are some T27, so you get a T27 socket here. And I'm gonna go on. The sun is kind of bright out here. Hopefully you guys seeing what I'm doing here. The sun is hot and bright, so we're gonna go ahead and remove all of these real quick. After I bought them out, you can just use a flathead screwdriver, spray in here, flip this over, just like that. So here is the latch right here, and here is the camera. So we're gonna have to remove the camera right here, remove the latch. So all of these, you're gonna have to just flip these out some type of way, get these out, just push it like that. This one you're gonna do the same. Just push on here, slide that up. Okay. Then we're gonna go this remove that camera, and we're gonna remove the latch itself. These bolt right here. So these bolts here, there are some 8s. Go ahead and get an 8 socket and remove those guys. Go ahead and put these one here now. Then there's a clip behind here. You guys can see that. So squeeze in the clip. Let's push it in like this. Come right out. See that? slide in the new one just the same. Put in this part first here, like so. Alright, so see, go ahead now and catch back these bolts here. So this here, I'm going to take off this one off of this old one here and install it in here. So there's a clamp here. Just go ahead and remove this clip here. Just pop the clip out like that. So if I pop the clip out like this, you can just go ahead and slide this piece up like that. Take it out. Put it here. Make sure we put it back over this part here. Just push it down until it pop in place. Okay, so that's good right now. Everything done. Okay, so let's go ahead and install back this cover here. Covering, just go ahead and cover that. You can always try it first before you put this back and make sure everything works good, but I'm not even gonna do that. Everything should be good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check what these. Let's see what's going on. Okay guys, so after we go ahead and check back all of these bolts here, let's go ahead and close it. Let's see how we stay. Close, open. Okay. So working perfectly guys. Camera fit back nice, everything. Alright. So that's it. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you install a new tailgate hanger, liftgate latch. So this one trash because it's broke, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna throw this in the trash. This is no good. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you install a new tailgate liftgate latch on your 2012 Toyota Tundra. But it's gonna apply to a lot of them, you know what I mean? So this was just a quick and easy DIY guys, you know what I mean, to install a new one. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the new one, you know what I mean? My brother started his little shoes stuff. He's selling some shoes online and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description. You know, he's on Instagram. You guys can check him out. You know, have some nice shoes, you know what I mean? So the link will be in the description. You know, if you guys need some nice shoes, kickers, clocks and everything like that. If it's your first time on the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell and press all, so whenever time I drop another new video, you can be the first to update, you know what I mean? We're gonna have a lot of videos coming guys, a lot. We have the 5 series to do new spark plug. We have the F series, BMW, we have a lot more stuff to do on that, you know what I mean? So, you know, we have Jaguar, we have so much vehicle to work on, guys. So we're gonna have a lot of videos coming, you know what I mean? So, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.